You have probably cleaned your toilet this week, and that gray ring is already back. The smell returned within days. You scrubbed harder, you tried a different brand, and nothing changed. That is not a cleaning problem. That is a product problem. The fix has been sitting in your kitchen the whole time, and once you see why it works, you will never look at toilet cleaner the same way again. Standard toilet cleaner has been the default. It foams. It smells aggressively clean. It makes the bowl look acceptable for about 3 days. What it is actually doing is removing a surface layer of grime and replacing the smell with a different smell. The mineral deposits and bacterial buildup living inside the texture of the porcelain, the actual cause of the ring, the dullness, and the smell that keeps coming back like an unwanted house guest with a spare key. Toilet cleaner never touches them. It was never designed to, which is why the ring is back by Thursday, regardless of how hard the bowl gets scrubbed or which brand promises otherwise. The product is not failing. It is doing exactly what it was designed to do. The problem is that what it was built to do was never enough. The answer is a dishwasher tablet, and suddenly everything makes sense. It was designed to break down mineral deposits, grease, and bacteria from ceramic surfaces using chemistry. No scrubbing, no elbow grease, no optimism required. That is precisely the problem a toilet has. One tablet dropped into the bowl dissolves and spreads to every surface, including under the rim. That is where the worst buildup hides, completely out of sight. Untouched by products that run down the sides and drain away, the tablet gets there, toilet cleaner never does. The fizzing is not decorative. That is mineral deposits breaking down and bacterial film lifting off the porcelain. Not masked, actually removed. After 20 minutes, the bowl looks cleaner, and here's the part worth noticing. It feels different, smoother. Because the layer that was coating the surface is gone rather than temporarily covered up. No bleach fumes, no chemical smell following you out of the bathroom and into the rest of your day. Most people never push the dissolving solution up and under the rim where the worst buildup collects, where bacteria and mineral deposits have been sitting for months. A quick swirl of the brush while the tablet dissolves is the difference between a surface clean and one that actually reaches the source. It is also what makes all the difference. Now here's the part nobody ever talks about: the toilet brush. It contacts the inside of a toilet every single use, and then sits in a closed holder where bacteria multiply enthusiastically between cleans. It is one of the most overlooked contamination sources in the average bathroom. The brush touches the dirtiest surface in the room, then sits damp in a dark container for days at a time. Most people spend all their attention cleaning the toilet, and almost none cleaning what touches it every week. A brush left soaking in the same dissolving tablet solution for those same 20 minutes comes out sanitized, deodorized, and actually clean. 2 problems. 1 tablet. 0 extra effort. When the 20 minutes are up, the stains lift with almost no resistance because the tablet has already done the structural work. 1 flush, and the bowl rinses completely clean. No scrubbing like a maniac. No questioning your life choices over bleach fumes. People spend years assuming the ring is just part of owning a toilet, something you remove, wait for, and remove again. But once the buildup underneath is gone, the cycle changes. The ring stops returning the way it used to. The smell that seemed determined to come back every few days gradually disappears as well. What looked like a maintenance problem turns out to be something much simpler. A product that was never designed to deal with the real cause in the first place. 1 box of dishwasher tablets costs roughly the same as 2 bottles of toilet cleaner and lasts significantly longer. More importantly, it delivers what toilet cleaner has never actually delivered. A result that addresses the cause rather than the surface. One product removes what is there, the other removes the cause. That is the entire difference. The ring was never inevitable, and a toilet that starts smelling again a few days after cleaning is not normal. That is what happens when an entire industry sells a surface fix for a deeper problem and calls it clean. Have you tried this before? Or do you have your own trick that works even better? Drop it in the comments, hit like and subscribe. There is a lot more of this here. See you in the next one.